Welcome for the new video. Welcome at Bmaster.
Bmaster.
Welcome at Ramal da Alfândega. The Ramal da Alfândega was a 3.89 km long Iberian railway line in Porto, Portugal. It connected Porto-Campanhã railway station to Porto-Alfândega railway station. It opened in 1888 and closed in 1989. In the 19th century, the Alfândega do Porto, the customs house of Porto, was a place of great maritime commercial movement. So its connection to the national railway network was of great interest. A law for the construction of a railway was published on June 23, 1880. Construction works began on July 17, 1881. The line was opened on November 20, 1888. In the beginning of the 20th century, the customs office declined due to the inauguration of the port of Leixões. Plans to build a rail link between the Ramal da Alfândega and the port of Leixões were never executed. The reduced activity of the railway, combined with the difficulty of the route, as well as the little importance in the national railway system, led to its closure in June 1989. In 2005, a group called GARA was founded. It was their goal to reopen the railway and establish the connection to Leixões. Nothing happened. In 2009, an alternative was being studied to transform the railway into a cycling path. Again, nothing happened. 11 years later, in June 2020, the Porto City Council announced that it was preparing two solutions. First solution, the implementation of a new pedestrian and cycling route. Second solution, the conversion of the railway into a rapid transport system. The GARA group was reactivated. They sent an open letter to the mayor asking for the reopening of the railway for the circulation of passenger trains. It would be a connection that brings together the low and the high part of the city. 1 year later, in June 2021, the members of the Municipal Assembly brought a visit to the site that would accommodate the definitive solution, an eco-track. That means a modern electrical transport system on working days and a pedestrian and cycling path in the weekends. Six months later, on December 6, 2021, the tender procedure for the construction of the eco-track was launched. The future looks bright for the Ramal da Alfândega.
Thank you for watching and see you soon for more Bmaster.